Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with questions from the verbal ability section. Or the question that we'll be focusing on in this video is again of parajumbles. Okay, a 5 sentence or 5 statement parajumble which we have to arrange to form a coherent or meaningful paragraph. Okay, so this sort of questions or the parajumbles of this kind are fairly common in all your VA section based examination, be it your GRE or GMAT. So this sort of questions are quite prevalent in the VA section. Okay, so that makes it very important to master this kind of questions and just to get a fairer grip on the VA section or the verbal ability section in general. So what we'll be doing in this video is we'll take a look at the question in front of us and subsequently we'll try and understand the approach of the same and we'll solve the question as well, so that we can, whenever we come across a parajumble such as this, we are know of the inherent approach involving solution of the same. Okay, so having said that, let's just focus on the question at hand. We'll start off by statement A. In a sense, narrator is like a puppeteer. Okay, so here we are describing the nature of narrator, puppeteer. Basically, narrator is like a puppeteer. Basically, narrator is controlling the entire scene. Okay, nature of narrator is given. Nature of narrator. Okay, this means that okay, this means that narrator is not a character in the story but rather an external observer that can enter the thoughts of all the characters in the story. Okay, so this is again talking expanding. So it's talking about the nature of the narrator in detail, as in how he influences the story, as in how he affects, how narrator influences the story. Okay, that's what statement B is talking about. If you go by the C, narrator of Paradise Lost is an omnipresent third person. Okay, so this is talking precisely about the introduction of the sentence. Okay, so this could very well be the is like a omnipresent third omniscient third person. So okay, C could very well be our introduction because it introduces the narrator lost in the lost is narrator of Paradise Lost. This is an intro. Okay, so C will come first, and see, notice one thing. It is talking about the nature of the narrator and then the omniscient third person. Why he is omniscient? Because this means, what means the omniscient third person? This this is referring to the omniscient third person. So C will be logically followed by B. Okay, Milton does this. Who is Milton? Milton is possibly the narrator. Does this. What is this? This could very well be referring to point number B. Okay, how he influences the story. Does this on numerous occasions, often telling us what Satan is thinking about or what Adam is really feeling. Okay, so B could D could follow B in this regards. Okay, so CBD could be a logical first three. Let's go with E now. If we talk about E, he knows, who knows, the narrator, the whole story, and he knows how he wants to present it. So he sits back and feeds his reader information as he see fit. See, this is the work of similar to the puppeteer. Okay, like puppeteer, what puppeteer does? Puppeteer knows the story and he makes the puppet dance or move across in such a way that narrates his story as he sees fit. So E is a description of point A, okay, or an elaboration of point A. So our answer would be C, D, E, A, E, okay. This will be a logical paragraph. C, B, D, E, E. So option 3 will be the correct answer. So I hope this question is clear to you. It was again just a matter of looking at the clues, like here what are the points that indicates to the previous lines. If you just follow those, so that will be very easy in this regards. Okay, so having said that, if you have any doubt, just go through my explanation. That should give you plenty of insights on the approach involved. Okay, now having said that, if you're looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, be it your VA, RC or logical reasoning section or the even the quant section, feel free to connect with us and we'll be providing you the entire solution of the whole paper. Okay, please feel free to connect with us on those lines. Now, with all that said and done, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line. So with all that said, I'd like to sign out. Thank you so much.